Let's talk about Windows 10 computer shortcuts. You can control Windows 10 via duct clicks, taps, Oregon swipes, but sometimes a keyboard shortcut is the quickest way. Here's a handy guide to all the shortcuts you should know. Let's divide computer shortcut types into 4 sections. 1. General Windows shortcuts. 2. Virtual desktop shortcuts. 3. Snap Assist shortcuts. 4. Assorted shortcuts. General Windows shortcuts. Some keyboard shortcuts have been around Windows for a long time, and Windows 10 carries on with their grand tradition. Many of these help you navigate or select the text, so you'll find most of these to be handy in a text-based application or word processing software, such as Notepad, WordPad, or Microsoft Word. But they're universal, so they should work in any Windows application. Our first shortcut is Ctrl+A. This keyboard shortcut is most often used to select all text, files, pictures, or other objects while in a graphical user environment. The second shortcut is Ctrl+C. This keyboard shortcut is used to copy, highlight text or other objects to the clipboard in a graphical user environment. The third shortcut is Ctrl+V. This keyboard shortcut is most often used to paste text or other objects from the clipboard. The fourth shortcut is Ctrl+X. This keyboard shortcut is most often used to cut a selected section of the text, image, or other objects. The fifth and sixth shortcut is Shift plus left arrow key and right arrow key. Now my cursor is located here. This keyboard shortcut is most often used to move the cursor to the beginning and the end of a line respectively. At the end of a line, the cursor comes to rest after the last character in the line. The seventh and eighth shortcut is Shift plus up and down. Now my cursor is located here. This keyboard shortcut selects the entire line above and below the cursor. The ninth shortcut is Shift plus home. My cursor is located here. This keyboard shortcut selects the entire line to the left of the cursor. The 10th shortcut is Shift plus end. This keyboard shortcut selects the entire line to the right of the cursor. The 11th shortcut is Ctrl+End home. This keyboard shortcut moves the cursor to the beginning of your document. Number 12 is Ctrl+End end. This keyboard shortcut moves the cursor to the end of your document. The 13th shortcut is Ctrl+S. This keyboard shortcut saves changes to your document or file. The 14th shortcut is Ctrl+Z. As you can see, I deleted some words. To get that words, we can undo it. This shortcut keyboard shortcut is used to undo the previous action. The 15th shortcut is Ctrl+Y. This keyboard shortcut is most often used to redo an action reversed using the undo command. For example, if you use the Ctrl+Z shortcut to undo what you thought was a mistake, but realize it wasn't, you could press Ctrl+Y to redo the previous action. Alt plus F4 is our 16th shortcut. This keyboard shortcut is most often used to close the currently active window. For example, if you press the keyboard shortcut now while watching this video on your computer browser, it would close the browser window and all open tabs. The 17th shortcut is the Windows button and V. This will opens the clipboard. You can use the Ctrl and R key combination to refresh the current window. Virtual desktops shortcuts. Windows 10 offers a feature called Virtual Desktops through which you can create multiple desktop screens and switch among them at will. Why would you do that? Think about how many times you have so many windows and apps open that you can hardly keep them straight. Our first shortcut is the Windows button and Ctrl+D. This will create a new virtual desktop and switch to it. Our second shortcut is Windows key and tab. Opens the task view to display all virtual desktops. Each one will have a number. You then use the virtual desktop switcher at the bottom of the screen to click on one of your desktops to switch to it. Our third and fourth shortcuts are Windows key and Ctrl plus left arrow and right arrow. Switches to the virtual desktop on the left and right. Windows key and Ctrl plus F4 is our fifth shortcut. This key combination closes the current virtual desktop. Snap Assist shortcuts. The ability to snap, or lock, windows to a certain section of your screen is such a handy feature that it deserves its own section. Snapping is helpful if you have more than one window open and you want to snap one to the right and the other to the left, with both occupying an equal amount of space on your display. Windows 10 added support for up to 4 snap windows. The first shortcut is Windows key and left arrow. Snaps the current window to the left side of the screen. If you already snapped, it turns into the previous position. The second shortcut is Windows key and right arrow. Snaps the current window to the right side of the screen, or to its previous position if already snapped left. Our third Windows shortcut is Windows key and up arrow. Maximizes or snaps the current window to the top of the screen. Our fourth Windows shortcut is Windows key and down arrow. Minimizes or snaps the current window to the bottom of the screen. Assorted shortcuts. The following shortcuts work across Windows 10 as a whole, or with specific features, such as Cortana and File Explorer. Consider these a miscellaneous collection of helpful shortcuts. The first one is the Windows key. It opens the Start menu or Start screen. It's pretty obvious. Alt+Tab is the second Windows keyboard shortcut. Switches from one open window to another. Press the Tab key again to flip between windows, and release the key to select a window. Our third Windows shortcut is Windows key and D, hides or minimizes all open windows on the desktop. Our fourth Windows shortcut is Windows key and S. This will open the Windows search tool. Our fifth keyboard shortcut is Windows key and C. This should open Cortana in listening mode. Windows key and E is our sixth shortcut. It should open an Explorer window. The seventh shortcut is Windows key and I. This should open settings. The eighth shortcut is Windows key and R, opens the run command. The ninth shortcut is Windows key and M. This shortcut minimizes all open windows. The 10th shortcut is Windows key and P, opens the presentation menu to switch the display to another device, such as a projector. This is the end of this video. Hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. If you have some recommendations, please leave a comment down below. More awesome videos are coming soon. I'll catch you in the next video.